Hi, my name is Ishan, and I've been working with ClickUp for over 4 years. And during this time, we have helped scale more than 35 plus businesses using ClickUp as their core execution system. I'm a certified ClickUp expert and admin and PMP certified project manager. And what I am genuinely passionate about is helping businesses build execution systems that actually work. Systems that reduce chaos, improve visibility, and scale with the team instead of breaking as the business grows. So, over the years, I've worked with small and medium sized businesses all the way up to enterprise teams. So, we have implemented and rebuilt ClickUp workspaces from a completely blank setup to fully operating delivery systems covering sales, onboarding, service delivery, and operations end to end. So, across ClickUp, AI automation, project management, and process improvement. So, we have served over 190 plus clients and received 120 plus 5-star reviews. So, what makes us different? What really sets us apart is that we don't just set up ClickUps. A lot of ClickUp consultants focused on lists, statuses, or dashboards in isolation. So, we focus on how it work actually flows through your business. So, our goal is to give you real-time visibility, faster issue resolution, clear ownership across teams, and a ClickUp workspace that reflects how your business truly operates. So we take the time to deeply understand your workflows and constraints and your vision. We step into your shoes, align on the approach together, and then build a system that fits your business, not a generic template. Let me quickly walk you through my background and credentials. So on the ClickUp side, I am a certified ClickUp admin, a certified ClickUp expert, experienced in advanced ClickUp architecture, permissions, automations, and reporting. ClickUp itself has reviewed and validated our work across workspace architecture, scoping and migrations, permissions and governance, automation design, reporting and dashboards. So on top of that, I am also a PMP certified project manager, one of the most globally recognized project management certifications, and I scored 100% on the exam. This combination is a big part of our USP. So we don't think in terms of tools alone. We think in system, workflows, and execution frameworks. So that means we design ClickUp not just as a task manager, but as a delivery engine that supports scale, accountability, and clarity. So how we think about system before we even build anything in ClickUp, we think across workspace architecture, spaces, folder and list, governance and permissions, status and workflow design, automations and integrations. So only after the system design is clear do we move into building. This is why our ClickUp setups don't feel cluttered or confusing. They are intentional and operational. Coming to explaining the framework. So we follow a 4-part ClickUp scoping framework, which you can see here on the page. We start with the understanding the pain points. So we identify where execution breaks down and where visibility is missing and what's slowing the team. Second is assess readiness. So we look at the timelines, team capacity, data quality, and adoption readiness. And then we match you with the right package. So based on the complexity and urgency, we align on the right engagement model. And then we define the scope and timeline. So clear scope, clear milestone, and zero ambiguity before we start. We typically work through 3 core ClickUp service packages, and I'm gonna run you through those as well. So first one is accelerated launch. So this is for teams that want to move fast. So we run focused discovery sessions here, design a clean ClickUp structure aligned with your operations, configure statuses, permissions and automations, set up dashboards and views, and drive early adoption. So this is ideal if you want clarity and momentum quickly. And then coming to the deep dive workflow build. So this is for teams already using ClickUp but facing messy architecture, broken workflows, low adoption, and scaling challenges. So here we're gonna identify high impact workflows, redesign your execution path, and build the advanced automations. And post that, we're gonna train your team on how and why the system works. And the third one is technical and automations engagement. So this is far more advanced organization. This includes complex migrations and permission and governance setups, automations across ClickUp, CRM, finance, and external tools, and custom reporting and dashboards, API and integration driven workflows here. So as you scroll here, you will see real ClickUp implementations that we have done, including deal and sales tracking system, contact and CRM management, inventory management for e-commerce and FMCG, content creation pipelines, and executive dashboards with real-time metrics, AI super agents that work as co-workers. So these are not mock-ups, these are live systems running business today. So our approach is highly collaborative. If in case you want to work, so we work with your team, not around them. The system feel like something you build together, not something imposed from outside. We bring strong opinions and best practices, but everything is tailored to your reality. Most importantly, we focus heavily on adoption, because even the best ClickUp setup is useless if the team does not use it confidently. So our engagement structure and transparency is it runs in very clear phases. So we start with the discovery and design, build, and then roll out, and then support and optimization. You will also get a client portal where you will be able to track the project status, any risk, any decisions we have taken, and next actions, progress in real time. So there is no black box. We give you full transparency. So if you are interested in working together, just reach out. There are two ways to work together. We can do a short discovery call to understand your needs, or we can run a lightweight ClickUp audit and give you a clear execution roadmap. And we onboard a very limited number of clients at a time because quality matters to us. So if you have invested time or money into ClickUp but it still feels messy or underutilized, let's talk. We will think from your perspective, step into your shoes, and build execution system that actually work for your business. Alright, that's it from my side. Thanks so much for your time, and happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks.